writing prompts, uploading images, downloading files one by one. It's repetitive and slow. That's exactly why we built Meta Automator from AutoPlaLabs. In this video, I'll show you how to automate the entire Meta AI content generation workflow, from prompt creation all the way to bulk image and video generation. First, open the built-in unlimited prompt generator. This feature can automatically generate a massive number of high-quality prompts for you in seconds. You no longer need to sit and manually write prompts one by one. Then generate as many prompts as you want instantly. Once your prompts are ready, go back to the main generation dashboard. Here you can choose between bulk image generation, bulk video generation. Now paste your prompts into the prompt box. Then click Add to Queue. Meta Automator will automatically queue all prompts for bulk processing. You can also choose from different custom modes designed for specific types of content and automation workflows. Next, adjust your generation settings like auto download, stealth mode, cache clear, delay and aspect ratio. Once everything is ready, click Start Generation. Meta Automator will automatically feed prompts into Meta AI, generate images or videos in bulk, process everything automatically, download all generated content directly to your computer. No manual repeating, no babysitting the browser, just fully automated AI content generation at scale. If you want to save hours of work and automate your AI workflow, check out AutoPlaLabs for more AI automation tools and tutorials.